Hello everyone. This study is entitled Marindu-cretE, Development of a Cementitious Material Containing Tailings and Silt for 3D Printing Applications. The project will be implemented by the University of the Philippines Diliman Department of Mining, Metallurgical, and Materials Engineering in cooperation with the Institute of Civil Engineering. First, let's define what tailings are. Tailings are the byproducts of extraction of valuable metals from an ore. These consist of a slurry of fine particles which are mixtures of sand, fine-grained solid material, water, significant quantities of heavy metals, and other effluents. When not handled properly, tailings could generate acid or trace metals that could leach and pollute water sources. Silt, on the other hand, are fine materials, usually sand or clay, that are carried by running water and are deposited as sediments. Heavy siltation along a river could cause shallowing or could completely block off a channel flowing to another body of water. The presence of tailings and silt have been a long-standing problem for communities in Marinduque, especially those that are nearby the rivers of Mokpog and Bowak. As we all know, in 1996, Marinduque suffered from a mining disaster, where tons of mining tailings were spilled along the Bowak and Mokpog rivers. Until this day, no comprehensive rehabilitation was conducted, and the locals are continually exposed to the risk brought about by the tailings and silt that potentially leach out of trace metals into water sources. Adding to the urgency of the situation, according to a report by MGB Mimaropa, the condition of Magila-Gila Dam poses an additional threat to the downstream portion of Mokpog River. These high-risk dangers to the communities of Marinduque present us with a research opportunity that can aim to address the accumulation of tailings and silt in these areas. One specific research opportunity in this track is to utilize mine tailings and silt to produce a 3D printable cementitious material. Synthesizing the concrete mix, which includes tailings and silt that will be amenable to this additive manufacturing technique, is an important direction to pursue. Due to the wide range of products you can produce by 3D printing, it can prove to be a valuable valorization option for the tailings and silt in Marinduque. 3D printing has gained significant attention, especially in the construction industry, as a potential method for rapid building of structures. This is very timely with the government's priority projects under the Build initiative. However, the use of concrete materials is resource intensive and environmentally degrading. Hence, utilization of waste materials may address some of the dependence on rapidly depleting raw materials. The most important material parameters, component design parameters, and machine parameters have been identified and will be the basis for the experimental design that will be applied in this study. These parameters will be tested to the optimum concrete mix and the optimum design parameters for the final product. Additionally, using 3D printing can reduce the effort of labor, the number of workers, and construction time significantly. This can increase the rate of production of materials, which can scale up and increase profits. Skilled workers are needed for the operation of the 3D printers. Additionally, new jobs can also be created in this field of digitalization. The methodological framework shown will be followed by the study. The project is also supported by the provincial government of Marinduque through the Office of the Governor, and the project will also be in close coordination with the provincial government and in an NGO called the Marinduque Council for Environmental Concerns, or MASEC. Lastly, here are some key points and the significance of this study. The studies can address the environmental problems and risks of the tailings and silt in Marinduque, a problem that has been burdening the communities for decades now. close coordination with the LGUs and NGOs that represent the communities, ensures that the solution is grounded on the capabilities of the community to adopt the technology. The development of a 3D printable concrete mixture will pave the way for a wide range of applications in the construction industry, such as concretes and mortars, and this will provide a potential alternative livelihood to citizens near the affected areas. Alternatives to typical concrete components, especially with use of wastes such as tailings, contribute to sustainable development and is forward-looking to a circular economy.